What happens if I unknowingly caused a hit-and-run accident? Have you ever wondered what would happen if you were involved in a hit-and-run accident without even realizing it? It can be a confusing situation, but let's break it down. A hit-and-run occurs when a driver leaves the scene of an accident without providing their information or helping those involved. This can happen even if you did not know you were part of the accident. If you find yourself in this situation, there are legal consequences to consider. Depending on the severity of the incident, you could face fines, license suspension, or even jail time. In many areas, if no one is injured, it may be treated as a misdemeanor. However, if someone is hurt, it could escalate to a felony charge. Beyond the legal side, you may also be held responsible for damages in a civil lawsuit. This means you could be required to pay for repairs, medical expenses, lost wages, and other costs related to the accident. It is important to understand that these financial responsibilities can add up quickly. Now, let's talk about auto insurance. If you have collision coverage as part of your policy, it might help cover some of the costs associated with the accident. However, if you are found guilty of a hit-and-run, your insurance rates could increase significantly. In some cases, your insurance provider may even decide to cancel your policy altogether. If you later realize you were involved in an accident, it is crucial to report it to the police and your insurance company as soon as possible. This can help reduce some of the potential legal issues you may face. If you are a victim of a hit-and-run, your insurance company will likely conduct an investigation. They may look at surveillance footage, talk to witnesses, and examine the damage to your vehicle to determine what happened. Having adequate auto insurance coverage is essential. This includes liability coverage, which can help pay for damages if you are found at fault, and collision coverage, which assists with repairs to your vehicle. Always review your policy to ensure you have the right protection for your needs. In summary, if you unknowingly caused a hit-and-run accident, it is important to understand the potential legal and financial consequences. Reporting the incident promptly and having the right insurance coverage can make a significant difference in how the situation unfolds.